Welcome to 12608 County Road 350 in beautiful Sidney, Montana. Enjoy a cozy living room, a dining area that connects seamlessly, perfect for everyday meals, and an open kitchen with ample storage, an oven/range, refrigerator, and easy care flooring. Two comfortable bedrooms on the same level offer quiet retreats, each with ample closet space and natural light, perfect for rest, work, or relaxation. The full bathroom is conveniently located and thoughtfully designed for functionality. Next to the bathroom is a laundry area with built-in storage for added convenience. The large backyard deck is perfect for morning coffee or evening gatherings, with scenic farm surroundings. Includes both attached and detached garages, plus a circular driveway for easy access and extra parking. This charming ranch-style home offers comfort, space, and simplicity, an ideal spot to settle in and enjoy a quieter pace of life.